Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to continue our Python Bootcamp series. So here our topic is polymorphism. I already completed object classes in my previous video. If you have any doubt, please go and watch there, and the link should be in my description. So go and check there. Polymorphism means it refers to the ability of an object to take on many forms. Refer to the ability of an object to take on many forms. Okay, so like if you basically say that what is polymorphism means one action and different behavior, that is called a polymorphism. Poly means many form. Okay, in real life you say speak to a dog it bark, and a cat it meow. You say to dog it bark, and a cat it meow meow. A human can talk. Okay, so same action and different output. This is exactly what polymorphism means in OOPS. Here we are going to also learn method overriding. Child class change the method of the parent class. That is called the method overriding. Child class change the method of the parent class. That is called the method overriding. Okay, and polymorphism means one action, different behavior. Okay, I already explained that you say speak to dog it bark, and a cat it meow, and a human talk. Human can talk, cat uh, can meow, and dog can bark. Wait a minute, I am going to share my screen with you. Just a minute, wait. We are also using parents class and child class because we already complete in last video. So if you have any doubt in inheritance, then you can go and watch my playlist. Okay, I hope you got it. What I'm going to try to say. Okay, so I'm going I hope my screen is visible to you. I'm going to create base class. Okay, base class means parents class. Okay, so here class, and name of the class is animal, and here I'm going to define one function that is speaks. I mean animal can speak. Okay, self. I'm going to return sound of the animal. This is our base class. Base class means parent class. Okay, so in parent class animal can speak. Okay, so this is the function name, define speak. Okay, and return sound of the animal. Okay, so here I'm going to create child class. So that is called a derived class. Okay, so here in child class I am going to create one child class, that is dog. Dog can bark. It inherit the property from animal class. Okay, this is our parent class, base class. Okay, and here I need to define one function. Okay, this one speak should be used by child class. Okay, so here dog speak and return. Oh, I'm not going to return super and dot speak. Return Woof. This is our first child class. I'm going to create another child class, class 2. Drive class. Okay, and here I just need to copy this and I'm going to paste it here. Okay, so yeah, instead of dog I need to write cat here, cat. Cat is our second child class. Okay, so cat also inherit the property from animal class. Okay, so cat should be speak but not boop. Cat should speak what? Meow. Meow. Okay, now this bark both this now I am going to create one function, that this function bark with any animal. Okay, here I'm just going to create one function, that is function that demonstrate polymorphism, or you can say this function, I'm just giving one heading. Now this bark with any animal. Define animal underscore speak. This is the function name animal speak. Okay, this function work with any animal, that should be cat or that should be dog. But here I'm going to print animal dot speak. Speak is the function name that I used previously. This one, cat speak, dog speak, and animal speak here. Okay, now I'm going to test this code. For testing purpose, I need to create one object for cat class or one object for dog class. So here this is for dog object, and here this is the cat object for cat class. Now I am going to print what? That dog dot speak. Dog dot speak. Wah, wah, wah. And print cat. This is the object name cat dot speak. Meow, meow, meow. Now I am going to call this function animal speak. This one here, animal speak, that it will bark for both dog or cat. Okay, I'm just going to run this code. So I got output dog speak wow, and cat speak meow, and animal speak. In animal speak, I passed dog, so that's why it will give you woof, or if you can write cat here, so it will give you meow, meow, meow. Okay, so here you can see this is our parent class animal, and this is the have this has function that an animal can speak, and I return sound of the animal. And here these are the child class dog. Okay, it inherit the property from animal class, and it dog also speak uh, speak in whoop. And here this is the another child class cat, and it also inherit the property from animal class. Okay, and cat should be speak meow. Okay, I already written meow. And here this is the function that work for both animal and cat. Okay, this is our first object for dog class, and this is our second object for cat class. Okay, print dog dot speak. Okay, this is the function name speak, that dog dot speak. With the help of this I got woof, and print cat dot speak. With the help of this line I got meow. Okay, and here animal underscore speak this function, and here I'm just passing cat animal name. Okay, so it will give meow, or if you passed here dog, then it will give you moo. Okay, I hope you got it. I just need to delete this function, this function here, this function of this cell. Okay, here I'm going to testing polymorphism. No, I already test. I need to delete this. Okay, I already test by using this line. I missed D from test. So now I am going to create another code. I'm going to use polymorphism using function and method. Okay, so first of all I need to create parents class. I'm going to use class shape shape, and here I'm going to define one function. Its name is area. Here I'm just passing self double quotes, and I'm going to return this area of the area of oh, this is not the area of the figure. Now this is our parents class. Okay, shape, and this is the function of this parent class, and it said that it return the area of the figure. Okay, now I am going to create child class for rectangle that override the parents class. Okay, so here class rectangle. Here I'm going to pass shape. Shape is a parent class, this one. Okay, now I am going to define init, and here I'm just going to pass self and second parameter width. First parameter self by default, and second is width, and third is height, HEIGST, height. Height of rectangle and height of rectangle and width of rectangle. Okay, and now I am going to store this into a variable. So self dot width, here I am going to store width, and here self dot height. So here we can store height, HEIGST, store in this variable self dot height. Okay, now I'm going to use this function. Okay, here in rectangle class, area. So here we can calculate the area of rectangle. So I need to remove this thing. Okay, we are going to write formula of area of rectangle. So here self dot width into self dot height, HEIGST, height. Okay, so this is our child class. I have completed everything. Okay, so you can see here I override this thing here because we are going to calculate here area of rectangle. Now circle override area. Okay, so in first class we have function for calculating the area. Okay, so here in first class, area override by rectangle class here. Now circle override area. So I am going to create another function that is circle, sorry, another class that is circle. Circle also override the area of shape class, that is parents class. Okay, so here I just need to change rectangle into a circle. Circle, and here we don't have any height and width in circle. We have only radius. Okay, so I just need to create one variable to store a radius. Self dot radius store the radius. Okay, and area of rectangle is 3.5, sorry, 3.14 into self dot radius into self dot radius. So you already knew about what is the area of circle. So I think you already have idea about it. So it is a pi r square. R means radius. Okay, so circle override the area of parents class here. This is called a method overloading. Okay, here rectangle are going to override the area of shape this class. Okay, now I'm going to write polymorphism function. Define print underscore area. Here I'm going to pass save, and this is the parents class, colon print in f string the area is shape dot area. Okay, so shape, this is our parents class, shape, and area of parent class, this one, save dot area. Okay, this is the function, polymorphic function. Here this is going to inherit, I mean access save class. Okay, now I need to run this. Now I'm going to create objects for rectangle. Rectangle equals to this rectangle. Here I'm just going to pass height and width. Okay, width equals to 4 and height is 5. That we can calculate the area of rectangle. And this is circular class. So here object of circle class. Here I'm just going to pass 3. I just need to pass radius. Okay, that is 3. Now I am going to print circle. Okay, name rectangle is not defined. Oh, I got error. Let me check. Rectangle equals to rectangle 4 and 3. Circle equals to circle 3 and print circle. Okay, so this is showing the address of the object. Same function print area works on both rectangle and circle and different output. So here rectangle equals to rectangle 4, 5 and circle equals to circle. If I am going to pass, oh, rectangle object is not callable. One minute Punjabi music, 1 minute. 1 minute, wait a minute.